Alright, this is 264 Overbrook Street, West Belleair Bluffs. We've gone through the new clean out towards the house. We've run into what looks like Orangeburg pipe, 35 feet going towards the house. We're going to pull back, change to cast iron. I got to change to clay. We got roots at that joint. Roots at that joint. Roots at that joint. A little bit there. Not bad. Roots at that joint. Roots at that joint. And now we're coming into the clean out, so we're going to turn it around and go out towards the street. Really bad roots at that joint. So this is why it keeps backing up, for sure. All these joints are pretty bad. That looks like our drop. Is that a drop right there?
Yeah, that was. Let's go into the tap.
We're going to get to the tap so we can locate it. Wow. I don't know if we can get past that one. Alright, and that's where it ties into the city. So we're going to locate this here.
Okay, disregard that from the time that we paused it to right now. I've actually located this particular spot. I had to move it back from the tap because that was in the street. I did not want to mark it in the street as the paint will go away. This is marked in the grass. It's basically a straight shot. To make note, it's about 4 feet deep, so 3'7". And this will conclude the video. The next section of the video will be after we clean the pipe. Thanks for watching.